Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about using Google Earth Engine to visualize annual precipitation data from 2015 to 2024. I'll be using Chirps dataset from Google Earth Engine. Chirps stands for Climate Hazards Group Infrared Precipitation Weather Stations is a 30+ year global precipitation dataset that combines satellite imagery and ground-based weather station data and provides high-resolution precipitation estimates. Now let's get started with the code. We will first define the time range between 2015 to 2024. Next we will define the visualization parameters including the color palette for the precipitation values. Now we will define a function calculate annual precipitation for a given year, and this function will filter the data set for the specific year. Then we will select the precipitation band and sum up the values to get the annual precipitation. Then we will loop through the year from 2015 to 2024 and calculate the annual precipitation and display it on the map as a heat map. When I run this, you can see the map on the map interface. The legend is also added. You can define the legend here to display, which shows the relationship between colors and the precipitation values. And in the map, the reddish to orange color shows higher precipitation and bluish to black color represent lower precipitation values, and the maps are displayed from 2015 to 2024. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Happy mapping!